Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is my first attempt at starting an actual series on this on YouTube. I've been learning how to pick locks for a few months. This I started out with this nice little set here, a best two 13 piece, which there's not 13 pieces left in it, but I'll want to give you a look see as to what's in it. Comes with a cheap plastic case. This is recommended by Bosnian Bill. I would say his recommendations aren't too far off. This is a small half diamond. This is a double. It's a rake. Let's put it that way. Double peak. This is another type of double peak. It's a small hook. This is the tension wrench. This is one of the tension wrenches. The other one has come missing. Shutter tensioner. This is an M rake. I've already broken the L rake. Flag pick. Standard hook. Large half diamond. And something resembling a key extractor, but it's not really that, and it's not really on point. It's not really on point as a key extractor. It's not quite thin enough, not quite sharp enough. Sharp enough to poke your eye out? Sure. Sharp enough to extract a broken key out of a lock? Questionable. To supplement these, oh, by the way, here's a double ball. Snowman, whatever you want to call it. These are the pieces I have left today. Besto, whatever. It works. It works. To supplement those, a few months back, I ordered a set of tensioners from Sparrow's Lockpicks. They're a standard tensioner. These are top keyway, but they're not toothed like this one is. This one gets a lot of use while I was practicing, and as you see, it's already scarred up. It's gotten a lot of use. Along with that, I ordered an L rake, a C rake. This doesn't get very much use. I don't know why I paid for it. Anyways, but what I wanted to talk to you about more so was this nice little thing. This is the Mad Bob Ghost Pro Kit. Nice strong case. Not that it comes with a pry bar and two tensioners. As far as your tension tools, this is what it comes with. This pry bar and two tensioners. One with a twist, one without. For picks, it comes with a standard hook, half diamond, deforced ball, very shallow, long reach, angled reach, Prince and Princess, not sure which one's which, and a Bogota. I've been using these for as I said, a week or two, and my only criticism is possibly the criticism of my own skill level, the fact that I'm heavy-handed, and I'm afraid I'm gonna break these things. If they were readily available, and you could just order one on the fly, it'd be cool. But these things are $60, and you have to wait six to 8 weeks for each one of them. They're made to order. They're very nice, but it scares me how flimsy that particular tension wrench is. I've already bent it once or twice. I've had to bend it back, and I'm afraid I'm going to break it. So, yeah, I'm putting this on the side as part of the collection, but not as part of my everyday use. But if you have the money, get two. They're beautiful.